shit. Check it out. Hit you with no delays of what you saying, yo. Silly with my 9 milli with the dilly, yo. When I be on the mic, yes, I do my duty, yo. While I'm in the club, I be while in the studio. You don't wanna vibe, nigga, really the truth, yo. My main thug, nigga. Yo. Bitch, nigga, scared to death, ask me, yo. Fuck that, looking shorty, she a little cutie, yo. The way you shake it, make me wanna get it. Top bitch, listen to banging bitches and videos. While I'm with the freak, like we up in the freak shows. With the shit make you feel it on your toes. Hot shit, got all you niggas in red clothes. Style on my metaphors.
Is that regulation or what?
Fuck yeah!
I gotta ask ya, questions.
Dangerous bull.
Dude, let Sean do it.
No, dude. I don't give a fuck. I'm Purple Boy, and this is Jackass.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Dude, no! Put it in there, you fucking.
Alright, the wind, bro. The wind.
Dude, throw it, you dumbass! Actually, I want this food, but I want to fuck somebody's bitch. Long dick style.
Yeah. 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 The gold links got me reminiscing about my old days. 3-6 suck a nigga dick, no foreplay all day. Booming out the trap through the hallway. Tell me what you niggas know about. Auntie saying turn it down, or she finna call the cops. We be plotting on the op, she the one who got the drop. Just a free quick fix to the and it's okay. They gon' take me back to my old ways. I was tryna chill, Papa Stills, ever since I got a deal. Kick it with my model chick, tick Chris. Fuck niggas wanna diss, now I gotta let them know it's really trill. Lord pretty black with Jody. Fuck niggas, how you been? Every now and then, when it's out, we was out, 9 times, Jody, Jody, Lago, Jody, Lago, Jody, Lago, Jody. I ain't never looking for no handouts. Broke ass niggas never helping with their hands out. Find out where the fuck nigga live that we camp out. Screaming fuck the world, never catch me with my pants down. Always been a stand up guy, rather stand out. Grab some and stand swim for this one with my bands out. I'm the trillest one to do it since pimp, nigga hands down. If a nigga put his hands on me, that's a man down. Pick what, pimps up, hoes down, hold down, slow down. See they running with my old style, profile, bold smell, you old now, thugging with my old style. It's a shame how they low down, dirty like Adidas on my sneaker feature. Trapping through the speaker, beat the beeper, bring her turning off phones just to reach him, gotta beep him. I'm a lord, motherfucker, better greet him if you see him. Lord, pretty Flacco Jody. Dirty fuck niggas, how you been? You bustin' out.
This is so strong, it smells like decent bacon. Kevin's getting footloose on the overspill, under the piss station. 2 pints, destroyer, on the cobbled floors. No amount of whatever is gonna chirp the chip off. It's the final countdown by fucking Journey. I woke up with shit in my sock, outside the publish off licence. They don't mind, said the arsehole to the left. You gotta be cruel to be kind. Shit bank, save it up like Norbert Colon. Release the stench of shit grub like a giant toilet kraken. The lonely life that is touring. I got an armful of decent tunes, mate, but it's all so fucking boring.
ask you a question?
Do you want to be in our video?
It's not porn.
I'm actually at dinner right now, or I would. I just came out
Okay.
here to grab a jacket. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you.